Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. In this video we are continuing with the chapter 1 of 7th standard, that is geometrical constructions. In this video we are going to learn how to construct a triangle by various methods. Now here are the 4 different methods by which we can construct the triangle. First one, to construct the triangle given length of 3 sides. If the length of the 3 sides are given, then how to construct the triangle. Second one, to construct the triangle given 2 sides and the angle included by them. Second one is to construct the triangle when 2 sides and one angle is given included by them. That means if we have these 2 sides, again these 2 sides, and the angle included this is given, then how to construct the triangle. Second one, to construct a triangle given 2 angles and the included side. And the last one, to construct the right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. One by one we learn all the methods, but in this video, for this video only, we are going to learn the first one, to construct the triangle given the length of the 3 sides. Here is the first method, to construct the triangle given the length of 3 sides. If the length of all the 3 sides are given, then how to construct a triangle. Here we have one example. Draw a triangle XYZ such that length XY equal to 6 cm, length YZ equals to 4 cm and length XZ equal to 5 cm. Here are the steps to draw the triangle. First one, remember one thing students, जब हम लोग बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, सो फॉर दैट वी शुड हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रफ आइडिया ऑफ दैट बिल्डिंग. येस और नो? येस, ऑब्वियसली. अगर हम लोग के पास वो बिल्डिंग का रफ आइडिया है, रफ स्ट्रक्चर अगर हम लोग के पास है, देन ओनली वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ बिल्डिंग. हियर ऑल्सो बिफोर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग अ ट्राइंगल we should have to draw a rough diagram, rough figure of that triangle. So the first step, every time while constructing a triangle, the first necessary step is to draw a rough sketch. So first of all, we will draw a rough sketch. Here is triangle X, triangle X, Y, Z. Let us name it as, according to the example, length XY is given as 6 cm, YZ is given as 4 cm and XZ is given as 5 cm. So here, second step, draw a segment of length 6 cm as its base. मतलब हम लोग को क्या करना है, we have to draw a base of length 6 cm. So first of all, take a scale, take a pencil and draw a base of the length 6 cm. 6 cm. Just name it as X, Y. That is the base of the triangle. Third step, as length XZ is equal to 5 cm, draw an arc on one side of the segment XY, that is the base, with the compass open to 5 cm with its point at X. मतलब हम लोग को क्या करना है, जो हम लोग ने बेस ड्रॉ किया उसके वन साइड पे कंपास से 5 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस लेना है एंड वी शुड हैव टू मेक अ आर्क. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेक अ कंपास एंड स्केल and take a distance of 5 centimeter in a compass, that is the 5 centimeter. Okay, and next सिंस अगर आप लोग ये रफ डायग्राम देख रहे हो, सो इसमें XZ इज दी 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो दैट मीन्स हम लोग को ये जो कंपास है वी शुड हैव टू कीप एट पॉइंट X एंड वी हैव टू मेक अ आर्क. ठीक है, दैट इज द थर्ड स्टेप while constructing a triangle. Now next, fourth step. Next with the point Y, take a distance of 4 centimeter in a compass. मतलब हम लोग को कंपास में 4 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस लेना है. एंड ड्रॉ एन आर्क टू कट द फर्स्ट आर्क एट अ Z. मतलब हम लोग को आर्क ड्रॉ करना है जो फर्स्ट वाले आर्क को कट करेगा. सो पहले हम लोग को कंपास में 4 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस लेना पड़ेगा. So take a distance of 4 centimeter in a compass. Yes, that is the 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, since YZ is the 4 centimeter, so keep a compass at a point Y and make a arc which is going to be cut to the first one arc. Now this is, they are intersecting to each other, yes or no? Yes. So that means we are getting a point of intersection, and that is the third vertex of the triangle, that is the vertex Z. So name it as Z and draw the segment XZ and ZY. That is the last step while constructing a triangle. Again I am revising. While constructing a triangle, the first necessary required step is the draw rough figure. Every time we should have to draw the rough figure. Then second step, draw a base XY of a length 6 centimeter. Next, in a compass, take a distance of 5 centimeter. Keep a compass at a point X. Draw the arc. Next step, take a distance of 4 centimeter. Keep a compass at a point Y and draw the another arc which is going to be cut to the first arc. That is, this is the length 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Here we have the triangle XYZ. Now we will start with the practice set 2. Draw the triangles with the measures given below. First question, in triangle ABC, length AB equals to 5.5 centimeter, length BC is equals to 4.2 centimeter and length AC is equals to 3.5 centimeter. As we studied earlier, first step, what is the first step while constructing a triangle? To ड्रॉ अ रफ फिगर. सो पहले हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक रफ फिगर ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. रिमेंबर वन थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, वाइल ड्रॉइंग द रफ फिगर जो मेजरमेंट दिया है वही मेजरमेंट से ड्रॉ करना है ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. दैट इज द रफ डायग्राम, रफ फिगर. सो रैंडमली फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम and then name it and write down the length. So यहाँ पे A B C, AB is given as 5.5 centimeter, BC is given as 4.2 centimeter, AC is given as 3.5 centimeter. Again I am revising, again I am telling that while drawing the rough figure, जो मेजरमेंट दिया है उसी मेजरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंगली यहाँ पे ये रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. ड्रॉ रैंडम एनी ट्राइंगल एंड नेम इट एंड राइट डाउन द मेजरमेंट्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप. नाउ सेकेंड स्टेप, दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू ड्रॉ द रफ फिगर. नाउ सेकेंड स्टेप, ड्रॉ द बेस AB ऑफ लेंथ 5.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो यहाँ पे टेक अ स्केल. In that scale, draw the base of length 5.5 centimeter. So here we have 5.5. Name it as AB. Length is given as 5.5 centimeter. Next, remaining side AC and the BC. So first we will draw the segment BC, which is of length 4.2 centimeter. So in a compass, take a distance of 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. 4.2, yes. Now keep a compass at a point B and make a arc. Okay. Next, the third side is the side AC, which is of length 3.5 centimeter. Now in a compass, take a distance of 3.5 centimeter. This is the 3.5 centimeter. Yes. Now, since the side AC is 3.5, so keep a compass at a point A, which is, and make an arc which is going to be cut to the first arc. Now here, as you can see, we get a point of intersection, and that is the third vertex of the triangle, that is the vertex C. And last step, draw segment AC and BC. Write down measurement 4.2 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Second example, in triangle STU, length ST is equal to 7 centimeter, length TU is equal to 4 centimeter, and length SU is equal to 5 centimeter. So first step, draw rough figure. So STU. ST is equals to 7 centimeter, TU is equals to 4 centimeter, SU is equals to 5 centimeter. That is the rough figure. Rough figure or diagram. We can write it as diagram. Okay. Second step, draw a base which is given as 7 centimeter. So take a scale. In that scale, take a distance of 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Name it as ST, 7 centimeter. Next, segment UT, which is of length 4 centimeter. So in a compass, take a distance of 4 centimeter. That is the 4 centimeter. Now keep a compass at the point T, because segment UT is a 4 centimeter. So we have to keep a compass at the point T to draw the segment of 4 centimeter and make a arc. That is the arc. Okay. Now second one, segment SU, which is of length 5 centimeter. So in a compass, take a distance of 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now keep this compass at a point S to make a arc, and which is going to be intersect to the first one. Now here we get to a point of intersection. Yes. Now this is the point of intersection, that is the third vertex, vertex U, and draw the segment SU and UT. Write down the measurement 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Question number C. In triangle PQR, length PQ equal to 6 centimeter, length QR is equals to 3.8 centimeter, length PR is equals to 4.5 centimeter. So first of all, draw the rough figure. PQR 6 centimeter, PR equals to 4.5 centimeter, and QR is equals to 3.8 centimeter. That is the first step, rough diagram. Next step, base of length PQ of length 6 centimeter. So take a scale. In that scale, draw the base of length 6 centimeter. PQ 6 centimeter. Next, in a compass, we have to draw the length we have to draw the segment RQ, which is of length 3.8 centimeter. So take a compass. In that compass, take a distance of 3.8 centimeters. So here we have 3.8 centimeter, and keep this compass at a point Q and make a R. Next, we should have to draw the segment PR of length 4.5 centimeter. So in a compass, take a distance of 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. So here is a 4.5. Now keep this compass at a point P and make a arc, which is going to be intersect to the first arc. So here we get a point of intersection, that is the third vertex, vertex R. Draw the segment PR and RQ. Write down the measurement 3.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Before continuing with the next example, we will revise types of triangles based on the sides. First one is equilateral triangle. What is meant by equilateral triangle? A triangle with all sides equal. A triangle in which all sides are equal are called as equilateral triangle. These are types of triangles we already learned in the 6th standard, but for the next questions we want that types, so that's why I am revising it again. Second one is isosceles triangle. What is meant by isosceles triangle? A triangle with any two sides are equal are called as isosceles triangle. And third one is scalene triangle. Scalene means what? A triangle with no sides are equal are called as scalene triangle. मतलब जिसमें कोई भी sides equal नहीं होता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं scalene triangle. So based on types of triangles, here we have the question number 2. Draw isosceles triangle with a base 5 cm and other two sides 3.5 cm. मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग को ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, ड्रॉ करना है, जिसमें बेस होगा 5 सेंटीमीटर का एंड जो रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स है वो होंगे 3.5 सेंटीमीटर के. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, लेट अस ड्रॉ द रफ डायग्राम. रफ डायग्राम हम लोग पहले ड्रॉ करके ले लेंगे. ओके, लेट अस नेम इट एज ABC. ठीक है, जिसमें द बेस इज ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर, दैट मीन्स द segment BC is 5 centimeter and remaining two sides, that means segment AB and segment AC is of length 3.5 centimeter. So here is 3.5 centimeter and this is again 3.5 centimeter. That is the first step while drawing the triangle. Second step, draw the base which is of 5 centimeter BC. So take a scale. With the help of a scale and pencil, draw the segment BC which is of length 5 centimeter. Then in a compass, take a distance of 3.5 centimeter because remaining two sides is of length 3.5 centimeter. So in a compass, take a distance of 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Keep the compass at a point C. Make a arc. Since both the sides are of equal length, that means अगर हम लोग ने एक बार इसमें 3.5 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस ले लिया, that will be same for the other side also. So यहाँ पे B, keep a compass at point B and make a arc which is going to be intersect to the first arc and making an point of intersection. That will be the vertex A. Then draw the segment AB and draw the segment AC. Write down the measurement 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. Question number 3. Draw an equilateral triangle with a side 3.5 centimeter. As we studied earlier, what is meant by equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all sides are equal length is called as equilateral triangle. जिसमें all sides कैसे होंगे? Equal length के होंगे. मतलब यहाँ पे ऑल साइड्स का लेंथ होगा 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. So let us name it as PQR, where all sides are of length 3.5 centimeter. That is the first step, rough figure. Now second step, draw the base which is of length 3.5 centimeter. So with the help of a scale and pencil, draw the base of 3.5 centimeter, that is QR 3.5 centimeter. Then in a compass, take a distance of 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. Keep the compass at a point R, make a arc over here with the same distance because all sides are equal. ये 3.5 है, so यहाँ पे भी वही distance लगने वाला है. So keep a compass at a point Q, make another arc which is going to be intersect to the first arc to make an point of intersection. That is the vertex P. Draw the segment PQ and PR. Write down the measurement 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. That's all for today's video. If you like my videos, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.